In the field of geology, we know the mountains, they are like tent pegs. They give stability to the earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks regarding the mountains in Surah An-Naba, chapter number 78, verse number 6 and 7. In the field of oceanology, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we know regarding the two bodies of water, one sweet and palatable and the other salty and bitter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an, in Surah Al-Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 53. وَهُوَ الَّذِي مَرَجَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ هَذَا عَذْبٌ فُرَاتٌ وَهَذَا مِلْحٌ عُجَاجٌ وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَهُمَا بَرْزَخًا وَحِجْرًا مَحْجُورًا. It is Allah who has let two free bodies of water to flow, one sweet and palatable and the other salty and bitter. Though they meet, yet they do not mix. There's a barrier between them which is forbidden to be trespassed. Today science refers to this as the unseen barrier. In the glorious Qur'an, it is referred to as Barzakh. Science has discovered regarding this recently, but the glorious Qur'an mentions this 1400 years ago.